So man, I hadn't done this intro in a minute, so let's say it for the one time. You ready for this one? You ready for this one? So what is going, yo? We got a new one in the stores today, man. We are installing the spoiler. All right, today we are installing the spoiler, man. We are busy each and every day. The grind never stops, as you know, man. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Cause we got a lot of things going on with my baby right now. They helped me install it, so we'll be on the go, man. It should take us no more than 25, 30 minutes, somewhere around. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, leave a thumbs up already, cause you already know you're enjoying your freaking self. If you're not, god dang. Now where my baby at? Baby, where you at, girl? I need you. I got an emergency, baby. I don't know where you at. Where are you at, girl? I need it front and center. If I ain't got it, I need it right now. So in this last 2 days, I have added a few things besides the Mopar seat belt cushions, covers, what do you want to call them? I added the headlights, added my transformers on the side, and I have added something new that you guys have not seen yet. I'm about to show you that now without showing the spoiler on top of the car. All right, so I added the visors on the side also. The window visors on top, black of course, very sturdy, very good, very good. Stuck on real good, you know what I'm saying? And there she go, yeah, that girl, come on, girl. I need your car. I know that you wanna be with me. She got mad at 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 me. I had to get mad at me. So let's sit back and think about the things we are doing in this world of lifetime. Bruh! Think about it. Just sit back and think about it. If you know me, if you saw my videos, you know I went with the Hellcat spoiler on my Chrysler 300. Let me show you guys exactly what it looked like. It's like this is getting old. I'm just showing you guys more and more things each and every day. Let me show you exactly what it looked like, man. Let me just turn over to about right there. Hellcat spoiler for that bad boy. How do it look to you? Man, how do it look to you? Now keep in mind, I ain't got the aftermarket rims yet, but just know it's coming soon. Hellcat spoiler on and applied. Hellcat spoiler on and applied for. You see what I'm saying, man? Woo! I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look at that. On and applied for. Look at it. On and applied for. When you talking about beauty and hard work and dedication. Look how the right side look though. Oh my goodness. This is how mean it look with factory. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mamacita. Sport Hellcat spoiler, yes sir. Sport Hellcat spoiler, yes it is. Yeah. So I have finally equipped the Hellcat spoiler. What's next? To me, in my opinion, I really don't even know what's next, to be honest. I gotta go to my charts and go to my sketchbook and see what's next, because I'm getting a lot of things done in a certain amount of time, and it's working out perfectly so far. I got till the Cruising the Coast, which is in October. I got to that date until I'm all said and done. All right, the lighting just went down. There we go. All right, that's gonna be a short video, guys. Leave a like and subscribe, and love you, man. Subscribe if you're new. If you do it, like, the new modification, let me know in the description. Let me know if I'm doing a good job or not, you know what I'm saying? Let me know in the description, like I said. When I see you guys in the next one, you guys be easy. And, look on the gang, where you at? Well, yes, sir.